Hi everyone, welcome to the next video in my series of PC tips and tricks, quick mini guides. This one again is quite short and sharp and to the point. It's basically clearing out old temporary files and the Windows Prefetch folder just to free up some space and potentially give you a bit of a performance increase. So there's 3 locations you want to go to. Obviously, as usual, the details are in the description. So you right click, run. First one is %temp%, and this is going to bring up your temp folder for your profile. So here you can see there's a whole bunch of temporary files. These build up over time, you know, as you install apps and run apps, etc. And yeah, like I said, they get outdated, so you can delete them. So while you've got the window active, do Control L on the keyboard to select all, and then just hit the delete key. Like I say, if there's a couple that say they can't delete, it's probably because you've got that program open. I think this one is for the recording software I'm using at the moment, so you can just say skip that, or just tick the box and say skip any. Any that are in use, that's fine, they're in use, that's fine, and the rest it's cleared away. So that's the first location. Second location is to do start run again, and this time just type temp, and this will bring up the standard Windows temporary folder. Again, just I drag and select all, or Control A, hit delete, and away you go, cleared out. The next one is slightly different, it's a prefetch. So let's bring it up, and I'll just type prefetch, and it'll bring up the prefetch folder again in Windows. So what this is slightly different. These are temporary files, but so this folder is used by Windows to optimize the performance of apps and device drivers, that kind of things. And the prefetch files themselves contain information on how to load an application or device driver quickly, which can be useful on computers with limited RAM, etc., limited memory. Obviously, it's completely safe to do this, so and it's a good idea to clear them out every once in a while, because, like I say, the files in here are going to be outdated. There might be apps you don't use anymore, you don't have running at startup, or you've since removed. It takes up unnecessary space. You can clear back, and then it should give you a bit of a performance increase as well once you clear them out. And obviously over time, Windows will repopulate this with the files it needs to. So again, Control A, delete. And there's some that may be in use that you can't, and that's it, done. So clear back a bunch of space, cleared out all those temporary files that have just been kicking around, and hopefully the prefetch might help speed up a little bit. I think on next reboot you might find that it'll recreate the ones it needs to, so it might be a very slightly longer boot time, but it'll be milliseconds, to be honest. It won't be very long. But yeah, that's it. That's this quick tip: clearing out your temporary files, clearing up some space, give yourself a little bit of a performance boost. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one. Please remember to like the video and subscribe, and I'll keep making them as long as you guys want them. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.